Let me quickly show you how to get a free subscription to any IObit product through their official ongoing IObit Easter Giveaway. Let's start with the official installation of IObit apps. Download and install the application from the official website at iobit.com. Then, install the app as you would any other application on your system by following the on-screen instructions. To obtain a free 1-year subscription to IObit apps, follow these steps. Open a private tab in your browser and visit the official giveaway page. The link is in the description box. You will have one opportunity to claim the giveaway. If you fail to claim the offer, follow these steps. Close the private window, connect to a VPN in any location, and reopen the giveaway page in a new private window. You can repeat this process for additional opportunities. Next, enter your email to claim the free subscription. Consider using a temporary email provider to keep your inbox safe, secure, and private. And that's it. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.